Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I prep my nails to do my nails. So basically this is my nail prep video. Right now I'm showing you that these been on for 2 weeks and I want to take them off. This video is kind of an older video. This is back in July of last year when I did my birthday nails. So if you've seen that video, this is the continuation of this after 2 weeks. So right now I'm going in my one killer gel remover stuff. It's just to get off the gel that's underneath it. I use a peel off base coat and this helps get off it. Everything in this video will be listed down below in the description box. So I just let that sit for a bit and then I'm going to take this cuticle pusher and try to take these off as gently as I can. If you don't have a cuticle pusher, you can use this wooden stick. I go in with the wooden stick. And yeah, so I'm just showing you my process. Again, this is me showing you the process of me taking off the nails, and I'm gonna go and do it on the other hand. I do save these nails because I can just clean the part where you put on your nail bed and glue them back on as press-on nails. And I'm showing you how I store my nails. So this, in case you want to know. Like I said, everything I have in this video will be listed down in the description box if you want to know where to get these like display type of containers. Now I am going in with my 5-in-1 drill bit and going around my cuticle area, just cleaning that up real good, and getting off any residue of gel or anything like that on my nails. And I do this for both hands. Now that I got all the polish off, I'm going to go in with this base coat. It is by Garcia. It's called G Jelly. It's a great base coat to put on before you put on the Jello peel off base coat. I go in and put this on all of my fingers, and this will be listed down below. Here I am showing you the peel off base coat that I will use after I put on the G Jelly. I love this peel off base coat. I have other peel off base coats, but this is by far my favorite, and these are the combo I'm gonna use. And now that the Jello base coat is cured, that is it for my nail prep. This is the base coat I would use if I was putting on my nail tips. And that is all. That's another base gel I use for my nail tips, but I went in with the Feel So Good base gel. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. This is just how I prep my nails for my press on nails. And that is all. Everything is listed in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.